Good morning, guys, gals, ladies, gentlemen, except it is like not morning, it is really late in the evening. And today's video is just kind of a wash. I had a plan of what I was going to talk about today, but about, I don't know, 2 o'clock this afternoon, we were talking with Baby Badger, and as some of you guys know, she was in an automotive car accident last night. Well, she got rear-ended. I mean, not bad, like the car's not really damaged, but her knee was hurting, and so she was gonna go to the doctor, so we went up to St. Pete to go to the doctor with her, which is, on a Friday afternoon, is a long ass drive. And then we ate with her, went to the doctor with her, and then we come back home. And it is now like 10 o'clock at night, and I just am not feeling shooting the video that I had planned. But anyway, what did I do with it? I don't know what I did with it. Dang it. I've got a part somewhere. I don't see it around here. All right. Anyway, I'll tell you. So I've got a part that should work for the V-Rod. Everything kind of lines up. I'll do that in the video tomorrow. I've got gas tanks on the black bike. They should be all good. I've had them full of vinegar all week, so we'll dump those out. And then this car right there, it has a race this weekend. So that is on Sunday. So I have a full weekend. Mama Badger is out of here. She's doing her thing with Nerdy Badger. So it's just me and the animals and the motorcycles. Should be a great weekend. That's it, guys. Short video today. You'll get a full video tomorrow. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.